This brand is made in the USA by Hearth and Home Technologies and is backed by a very good guarantee, but they are only sold through a limited dealer network. The fireplaces are available in a variety of styles and feature their IntelliFire ignition system, which reduces gas consumption by providing a pilot flame only when it is required, and features a battery backup for operation during a power outage. The Novus models are available in 4 sizes from 30 to 42 inches and feature large windows for viewing the fire and heating capacities of from 20,000 to 30,000 BTU. They are direct vented for energy savings and offer an optional fan to circulate the warm air throughout the room. The Rave series offers modern linear gas fireplaces in 3 sizes from 32 to 42 inches and with heating capacities of from 19,000 to 25,250 BTU. They offer an optional Wi-Fi module so that the units can be controlled through their IntelliFire app for convenience. This brand receives an overall 5-star top pick rating from HvacRepairGuy.